All right, a quick one before we go into this. I want you to know that if you have, we are doing on decimal fraction. If you have 5/10, what you need to do is just to put down the 5, that is numerator. Now, how many zero do you have here? You have 1 0. You have to from here move to the left hand side in one place. 1. Right, you now have what? Point here. You now have 0 point here as the value of this. Assuming this was 100. From here you move 2 times because you have 2 0. 1, 2. So the point will now be, you now have what? You now have 0 0.05. 0.05 as the value of this. So if you have 1000, you move what? 1, 2. Sorry, 1, 2, 3. You see have what? 0.00000. That is when you have what? 1000. So having known this, you can be able to solve what is here on the board as fast as possible. Now here we have correct to 3 decimal place of 1 over 0.05 divided by 1 over 5.005 minus bracket of 0.005 20.5. Now a quick one, you will now use your calculator as the JAMB question and work this out. It gives you 1.0, sorry, 0.1025. That is when using calculator to work this. Now coming to this place here, we have a problem here and it's very easy to do. So here we have 5.005 and here we have 0.05. How many thousand or how many zero do you think that this was divided in order to give us this 5.005? You have to replace that back the way it was in the initial fraction. So we have from here, we'll count backward as 1, 2, 3. So it means that there were 3 zeros that divided this to give us this particular expression. So we have to input that again as 1 all over. So we have now as 5005, 5005. Because we have 3 0, 1, 2, 3. It implies all over what? 1000. So if you divide this by 1000, you're still going to have 5.005. You understood that. Now coming over to this side, how many zeros do you have? 2 plus over 1, 2. So it means that this was divided by what? 2 0, which is what? 100. So we now have 1 all over. This is just 5 over 100. So this is how the expression was initially. Now having known this, we shouldn't just dive into division, changing of division to multiplication. We just have to do what we have here. Now we have a ladder fraction. In a ladder fraction, this one is all over all of this. So this is just the numerator and the whole of this is denominator. And since this here means division, we have 1 divided by 5005 all over 1000. Now changing it to multiplication, this will come over here. So we now have 1000 all over 5005. So this is the long way, but if you don't want to follow this process, what you all need to do is use this and multiply by this, and use this and multiply by this. You now have what? 100 all over 5 divided by 1000 all over 5005. And now 0.1025. Still that we got from here. Now continuing this expression, what do we have to do here in order to simplify further? We still have this division. So now changing this division to multiplication, these are going to swap. So when they swap, 5.005 is going to come up and 1000 is going to go down. But this is going to remain the same as 100 over 5. Now changing to multiplication, this will come with 5005 all over 1000 minus 0.1025. Now having known this, what is next to do? We have to do the possible elimination that we have. So 100 here, 0 cancel 0 and this is all over. It's gone. So now we have 5 cancel 5, so it's going to give us 1. Now 5 cancel 5005. How is it going to give us? Now 5 divided by 5000, first of all, is going to give us 1000. So this give us 1. And just remaining 5. So 5 divided by 5 is going to give us 1. So from here we have 1001 all over 10 and divide by minus 0.1025. Now having known this, and at this point, what do we need to do? We have 1001 over 10 minus this. So like I said, if you have 5 still divide by 10, you just like your word 5. And from here, since you have 1 0, you count from here 1 and you have 0.5. Now quick one on how to solve 1001 over 10. How am I going to do it? So 1001 all over 10 is still the same thing. You have 1001 all over 10. Just put your what? 1001. And then you move the decimal from this point here to one place because we have 10. So you just here 100.1 as the value of this. So we have finally the last point as 100.1. That is dividing this minus minus 0.1025. Now at this point you are required to use your calculator. Now if you use your calculator to do this, you will have the value of 99.9975. Now to 3 decimal places is 99.99. Let's call it 1 point. That is the final answer. So now we move to the next one. Don't forget to subscribe.